Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a retinol collagen lifting pad. First, begin with a freshly cleansed face. It's crucial to remove all makeup and impurities to allow the pad's ingredients to penetrate effectively. Next, gently pat your skin dry. A completely dry surface ensures optimal adhesion and absorption of the beneficial retinol and collagen. Now, carefully open one individual pad packet, ready for the next step. Once your skin is prepped, carefully take one retinol collagen lifting pad from its individual wrapper. Position the pad onto the specific areas you wish to treat, like the delicate skin under your eyes, around your mouth, or across your forehead. Gently press down and smooth out any small air bubbles. This ensures the entire surface of the pad is in direct contact with your skin, maximizing ingredient delivery. For optimal results, allow the retinol collagen lifting pad to work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. This duration provides ample time for the active ingredients to absorb into your skin. It's important not to leave the pad on overnight, as prolonged exposure isn't necessary and could potentially irritate sensitive skin. After the recommended time, gently and slowly peel the pad away from your face. After removing the pad, you might notice a small amount of serum remaining on your skin. Gently pat this into your face and neck using your fingertips. Do not rinse it off. Next, apply your preferred moisturizer to lock in the benefits and hydrate your skin. For best results, incorporate these lifting pads into your routine 2 to 3 times per week, allowing your skin to rejuvenate effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.